Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2018 Toyota Rav4. Now the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. So the first thing you need to do is open up the glove box and take out everything that's in there so it doesn't get in the way. Next, there are two pegs on the sides of the glove box, which you have to kind of squeeze in to release the glove box to go down further so that you can see the air filter, the cabin air filter, behind the glove box. So that is what I will be doing right now. So this is what it looks like with the glove box opened all the way by pressing in the tabs on both sides of the glove box, which is over here. There's one tab that was located back here that hold the glove box in, and the other tab is on this side of the glove box, and it was holding it back over here. Now there's another piece that came off from a tab inside, but later on you have to remember to put this plastic piston back in before you insert the tabs back in on the sides. But here it is the area where the cabin air filter is. It's behind this plate right here. So basically there's a tab right here that you press on the side and it just releases, and now you can see the cabin air filter right there, and it shows how the filter should be placed in with the airflow going down. So the new air filter should show you the direction of air. So I will take this out and show you how to put in the new one. It's pretty easy to just slide it out, and you can see how dirty it is with all the random stuff flying in the air. So okay, gonna take the new one out, and here's the new one, which is still in its wrapper, and it says airflow. So I said the airflow was pointing down, so I should have it orientated, having the arrow going down. So I will unwrap this and place it back into the box for the cabin air filter container. So here's the new air filter, all clean and ready to go in. So basically you find where that box is, and then you just slide it right in. It's very simple. So fits in, and then you take the lid, and on the lid there's a up arrow to show you where you're supposed to put the lid in orientated. So you just place it in there. There's a little tab on the side right here that needs to fit in over here in this corner. So you press that in, then you just try to snap it back in there, make sure it's secure. So try to make sure this is going in. Okay, and so basically after you've done that, you just reverse the steps and make sure that the glove box right here has two kind of like clip areas that you clip in so it can pivot when it opens up. And then also this little piston thing needs to attach to this little tab right here, and I believe it's this hole right here, the first hole in the top next to the yellow piece. And then you just pop in the glove box, and then it will be back to normal. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave it below. And remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.